Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best mirrorless cameras that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Canon EOS Rebel T7. Now, while this is technically a DSLR, it's a budget-friendly entry into mirrorless-like performance and versatility. Its 24.1 MP CMOS sensor, paired with the Digic 4 Plus processor, delivers crisp and vibrant images, making it a reliable choice for beginners. With built-in Wi-Fi and NFC, sharing your photos or using it as a webcam with the EOS utility software is incredibly easy. The optical viewfinder offers 95% coverage for precise framing, and the 9-point autofocus system performs well for everyday photography. In terms of design, the Rebel T7 is lightweight and portable, weighing just over a pound. The 18 to 55mm lens is versatile for landscapes, portraits, and casual photography. However, it lacks advanced features like 4K video, and its continuous shooting speed of 3 FPS might feel limiting for action-oriented photographers. This camera is ideal for those who are just starting out or need an affordable option for basic photography. Pros include its competitive pricing, strong image quality, and intuitive controls. On the downside, it's missing features like 4K video and advanced autofocus systems. If you're looking for an entry-level camera on a budget, the Rebel T7 is hard to beat. Coming in at number 4 is the Nikon Z5. This camera is Nikon's most compact full-frame mirrorless model, making it an excellent choice for those who value portability without sacrificing performance. It features a 24.3 megapixel full-frame sensor that delivers sharp details and vibrant colors even in low-light conditions. The 5-axis in-body image stabilization ensures steady handheld shots and smooth video capture. Paired with the 24 to 50mm compact zoom lens, it's versatile for a range of scenarios, from wide-angle landscapes to standard portraits. The design is sleek and lightweight, and the tilting touchscreen adds convenience for shooting at unconventional angles. Its 4K video capabilities at 30p are solid, though the lack of 4K at higher frame rates might disappoint videographers. The Z5 also includes eye detection autofocus, which tracks subjects like people, dogs, and cats effectively, making it ideal for pet and family photography. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth make sharing and remote control a breeze. Pros include full-frame image quality, effective stabilization, and compact design. Cons are the slower continuous shooting speed and limited 4K video options. Overall, the Nikon Z5 is perfect for enthusiasts who want a full-frame experience without breaking the bank. At number 3, we have the Canon EOS R50, a hybrid mirrorless camera designed for content creators and vloggers. With a 24.2 MP CMOS sensor powered by the Digic X processor, it offers exceptional image clarity and detail. Its dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system boasts 651 autofocus points, providing fast and precise subject tracking for people, animals, and vehicles. The 4K uncropped video, oversampled from 6K, ensures cinematic quality for your projects, while the 15 FPS electronic shutter is great for capturing fast-moving subjects. Design-wise, the EOS R50 is lightweight and compact, perfect for creators on the go. The vari-angle touchscreen makes vlogging and creative shooting angles effortless. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth expand its connectivity, allowing easy sharing and remote control. It also supports longer than 30-minute video recording, a big plus for streamers and YouTubers. However, its low-light performance, while decent, isn't as strong as some full-frame competitors. Pros include advanced autofocus, 4K video, and a creator-friendly design. Cons are the narrower maximum aperture on the kit lens and slightly limited low-light capability. The Canon EOS R50 is a versatile and affordable choice for photographers and videographers looking to level up their content creation game. At number 2 is the Sony Alpha 7 IV, a powerhouse full-frame mirrorless camera that's perfect for both photography and videography professionals. It features a 33MP back-illuminated CMOS sensor and the Bionz XR processor, delivering stunning image quality with enhanced dynamic range and low-light performance. The real standout here is the video capability. 4K 60p 10-bit 422 recording with full pixel readout ensures cinematic footage without pixel binning. Cinetone color profiles make achieving a polished, professional look straightforward. The Alpha 7 IV boasts a robust design with a tilting touchscreen and dual memory card slots for redundancy or expanded storage. Its 759-point autofocus system covers nearly the entire frame, offering unparalleled subject tracking, including real-time IAF for humans and animals. The 5-axis image stabilization is a lifesaver for handheld shooting. It's slightly heavier than other models, but that's a small trade-off for its premium build quality. Pros include stellar image and video quality, advanced autofocus, and versatile shooting modes. Cons are its higher price point and bulkier design. The Sony Alpha 7 IV is ideal for professionals who demand top-tier performance in both stills and video. Finally, at number 1, we have the Sony Alpha ZV-E10, the ultimate mirrorless camera for vloggers and content creators. With its 24.2MP APS-C sensor and Bionz X processor, this camera delivers exceptional image quality and detailed 4K video oversampled from 6K. Unique features like the product showcase setting and background defocus button make it tailor-made for creators, allowing seamless transitions and cinematic effects at the press of a button. Live streaming is effortless, thanks to USB compatibility without the need for additional hardware. The ZV-E10 is compact, lightweight, and designed with creators in mind. Its articulating touchscreen makes framing shots and recording videos intuitive, while the built-in directional 3-capsule mic with a windscreen ensures crystal-clear audio. The autofocus system is fast and accurate, with 425 points and real-time eye tracking. While it's not a full-frame camera, the APS-C sensor punches well above its weight, delivering fantastic results for the price. Pros include its creator-centric features, 4K video quality, and ease of use. Cons are the lack of in-body stabilization and limited lens compatibility compared to full-frame models. The Sony Alpha ZV-E10 takes the crown as the best all-around mirrorless camera for content creators in 2025. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.